Hi everyone. So as we mentioned today, we were expecting a positive day. See how beautiful the time cycle has worked. I had mentioned in the video yesterday that we are going to come to a time where we keep hitting the bottoms. So this was the area, this was the zone, and after that we barely made a low. Like there was one low, but that is it. It was immediately recovered and gone up. So this now next time cycle is coming on, say 11th of March. So before 11th of March, we may once again probably try and hit this zone and then probably come down a little bit. So till 11th of March, filling this gap that is 16,250 odd levels looks very possible because now we are in the bullish zone of the time cycle. So how time cycle works is it's like a semicircle. So the first half would be the bullish zone and the second half would be the bearish zone. So and when there's a bigger time, so if there's a bigger time cycle which is taking the action, then the bearishness can start earlier also. But in this case we have had a good fall and now there's a rise after the fall. So now we can say that the bottom is in place for a few days now at least. We don't know if it is a charge, if the trend changes and we start a uptrend from here itself. That's very difficult to say right now, but we can say the bottom is in place and shorts should be covered. And the other reason is on our weekly we have a uh, like a support area over here. This channel which has been working since 2009 is having a support zone over here. So right now we need to be careful. Now market has given good sign of a bottom being in place for some time. Now till the time the new low is not made, once all this can go wrong if 16,000, I mean 15,650 is taken out. But as long as 15,650 is not taken out, we are looking to head higher. Our higher targets would be around 16,000. First would be the gap over here, that is 16,130, 150 odd levels, and after that we'll be hitting the channel line which is around 16,250 odd level. So that would be a target. Now for trades tomorrow, so we'll just go to a lower time frame because it's going to be a purely intraday trade for tomorrow. So now as long as we are trading above this zone, so I'll just mark it over here. I'll pull this line down. So as long as we are trading above this, we're looking to go up. Okay. We're going to try and fill this gap, which is around 16,230, 250 odd levels, and then eventually hit the uh, channel line. But till the time we are above this, we have to stay bullish. If tomorrow morning we have a dip and then if we remove this high, it will be superb. It will be a very good buy above the high. If you open gap up again, 1 hour strategy, wait for 1 hour or 15 minutes, let the high go, and then we can again keep buying. We don't go short or we don't buy any kind of puts unless for intraday at least, unless we come below 15,800. That's the swing low over here. So this low over here, I'll just mark that also. So this point, as long as we are above this point, we are bullish. Okay, this zone will be perfect. And once market comes down and if it goes sideways, we have to wait for it to break out above this high. It can happen, probably it may not just happen tomorrow, it may happen day after tomorrow. We may just go sideways tomorrow and we may not have any trade tomorrow. That is a possibility. But as long as we are staying above this line, we are looking for buying calls and we are looking for going bullish basically on the market. So that's a very simple view right now, that currently the bottom is in place. Long term, we are still weak because the M pattern is still there, which is existing over here. It's not gone away. So we don't know if this current pullback is only just up till the neckline of the M pattern, which is around 16,500, 16,600 zone. But that much of rally is a lot of rally. So we'll have a trade for at least some time right now, and we will go bullish positionally only above this high, that is 16,825. So it's basically a trader's market right now. It's not an investor's market. We have to keep trading these moves right now. For short term, negative bias would be over and we would be looking for positivity. Medium term, still we are negative and we may look for selling on up positionally on higher levels. But that call we will take once we get some signs from the market, once we see some weakness from the market. So that's a view. As and yeah, on the lower side, as long our view again changes if the lower 16,650, 15,650 is broken. So that has to be considered, that even if I'm positive right now, I may turn negative tomorrow if the 15,650 level is broken. But the trade is clear, that how we have to trade this market. That is important, and that is what I'm trying to clear in this video. And I hope you all understand that we have to trade very like short term intraday, and for short term, as long as this low is protected, that is 15800, we are looking for bullishness. So hope you have a good trading day tomorrow as well. And during market, if I get anything to update, I will surely update that as well. Thank you.